Direct replacement. This door check strap is designed to match the fit and function of the original strap on specified vehicles. Restores functionality. This check strap is made to fit and fully restore part functionality after the original strap fails. Durable construction. This part is made from quality materials to ensure reliable performance and long service life. Trustworthy quality, backed by team of product experts in the United States and more than a century of automotive experience. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. Neither too little room to maneuver nor too much. It's what you expect when you open the car door. Unfortunately, a damaged or bent door check strap can prevent the car door from opening wide enough, or, worse, diminish its resistance, allowing it to swing wide open. Both scenarios present a safety hazard. That's why Dorman's door check strap is durably engineered to resist bending and breaking. It returns the car door to its original performance, giving you just the right amount of leeway to securely and easily enter and exit your vehicle. Top reviews from the United States. Easy install. Took my husband no time to install this. Quality material and it works great.